Sure, now. So in the last video, we went ahead and we inserted new countries right here using this link. And in this video, I want to show you how exactly are we going to go ahead and delete the countries from here. All right, I'm not, of course, I'm not just going to go ahead and delete some record from the database because that's not everything I want to do. I want to also go ahead and be able to delete the file itself. If you look at the public right here, assets, and if you go to images, you will see that in the last video we inserted country-3 right here. So I want to also delete the file from the folder. That's gonna be like a nice feature to have. And also you don't want to leave like the older files right here. You want to go ahead and delete them, because if you left them, this will just flood your application right here, and we will have a lot of junk file that's unused. So let's go ahead and do this. So like always, we need to go to routes. We go to web.php right there. Let's copy this, so let's paste. So this will be our type get right here. And the amazing thing about the delete right here, the delete function, we do not even need to have a form or anything like that. We're just going to delete right away using the link. All right. And also right here, I'm just going to give this delete countries, and this will be delete countries like that. All right. So pretty simple. Save this, copy, and then go to your controller, and let's go down at the bottom of this. Let's paste this right here, and I want to go ahead and I want to actually copy this. For example, let's paste right now. Let's cut this and paste. Well, actually, in order to delete, we need to go ahead and we need to send some kind of ID right along with the link, because we need to know to which country we're trying to delete, and we're gonna use the ID right here as a parameter to delete, because of course the ID is unique. And since we're sending the ID in the link, we need to also send it right there and the function. All right, so I'm just gonna go right here. I'm gonna go after we send this ID. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go delete country like that, and I'm gonna go and find the row that's related to this ID with simply try writing country, which is the model. I'm gonna use my find function and send in ID as a parameter. So if we found this ID inside our own table countries, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna grab the whole row. And after we grab the whole row, I want to go ahead and I want to delete the image right away, even before I delete the record from the database. All right, so just go ahead and check out your resources section, the resources section of this video, and you will find this code right away. So what this code does, we're trying to use the file, the file class, and we're going to check if the file exists or not. And the image is right here in the assets folder, which is again right here in the public. All right, we're going to check if the file is right there or not. And what we're going to do is we're going to send in the file name to check it inside this folder, inside this path. And if we have it, we're going to go ahead and we're going to use the delete function, and we're just going to go to the folder and we're going to delete it right away. All right, so again, since we already have the whole row right here, inside this whole object, we can simply grab the image column right here, and we're going to grab the value dynamically. All right, so we're gonna delete like that. It's pretty simple actually. And also we're not gonna do anything else right here. All right, and right over here we're gonna go return view. We're gonna go back to the view of all countries right here. All right, so that's fine, and we're not gonna send in any kind of comeback. Well, actually, instead of returning a view, let's go ahead right there. Let's go ahead and paste this in. So I want to redirect to a route of all countries with some kind of message to let the user know that we actually deleted this. So I'm just going to pass in this key, delete, and I'm going to go right here. Country deleted successfully like that. So save. All right, so what I want to do right here, next, I want to go ahead to the views, and I want to go to admins, and I want to go to all, not all admins actually. I want to go to all countries, and I want to copy this message right here that we already have, and I'm going to send in the delete, and this should trigger this message. So this will be delete like that. Copy this, paste, and save. All right, so the last thing that we will have to do is to actually send in the link right here dynamically. This is the delete-country.html. We're not going to need this. We need to go to a route of you know, delete dot countries like that, and we need to also send in the ID right along with it. So we're gonna go country, and we're gonna send in the ID like that. So save. We go ahead and refresh. All right, so as you can see right here, if you hover over these links or these buttons right here, you will see at the bottom left, you will see that we're going to dynamic ID. We're going to /delete-countries, and we're seeing the dynamic ID right there. All right, so let's go ahead and try to delete this. The France record right there with the ID 3. So yeah, of course, yeah, it's going to trigger an error. We even forgot to include the file class, so that's why. So we're gonna go use file like that. So it's gonna actually show the error right now. All right, so as you can see, class admin file not found right here. So if we simply go ahead and refresh this, let's see what's gonna happen. All right, so country deleted successfully. It's displaying this right here, despite the fact that it did not even got deleted. We actually refresh this right now. As you can see, nothing is actually being deleted right here. So I want to go to my public and see if the image is there or not. We go to images. As you can see, the image got deleted, but the record did not. All right, so that's basically what happened. So what I'm gonna do is simply go ahead, and I want to grab the image once again. So let me copy the image, and I'm gonna go to my project folder. Let me see if we go this, if we go to public, and if we go to assets, images, we will not see country-3 right there. So if we just paste this in, all right, so I just took a copy of the image right there, because I want to now refresh the whole thing, and I want to go ahead and click delete. All right, so it's not even getting deleted once again, which is weird. So what's going on exactly? Did I even use delete? Yeah, did I even delete the record? I don't think. Yeah, I did not even delete the record, so that's why. Well, we're weird. So let's go like that, and let's go delete right here. All right, so this will actually delete the record. So sorry about that. Let me go right here and let me paste. Let me try and go ahead and copy the image and paste it once again. All right, so there we go. Let's now refresh this. So we got the image once again in the public, and the image is right there. As you can see, it's right there. Let me go now. All right, so as you can see, country deleted successfully. We go right there, click browse. All right, so the record is gone, and if we look at the image right here, you can see that the image is gone right now. You can see country-2 right here, 3 is gone. So yeah, it's working perfectly right there. And this will be all, and I will see you on the next video.